So today I got my Kailh Box Jades from Novel Keys. About 3-day shipping, pretty quick. It's my first time ordering from Novel Keys, so they have like a pretty cool like Novel Keys tape sticker kind of thing to like seal the box. So it says Novel Keys and all that, and K. So let's get into it. Novel Key switches, that's pretty cool. Here is a sticker from Novel Keys, pretty cool. Here are these switches, so I got box jades, 90 of them. Wonder how they're packaged. Oh, yep, they're in a bag as I expected. Novel Key Kailh switches, box jades. My first time having ever box jades, so let's see. Ooh. Oh. Let's focus on it a little more. Let's see. Camera focus. There we go. They're actually really satisfying. Yeah. Really happy with my purchase. I heard that there's a click on the downstroke and a click on the upstroke. Oh, there is. There is a double click. So I'm gonna put it up to my mic, and this is what it sounds like. So no joke, this box came 1 day later after I just filmed that Novel Keys unboxing. So yeah, this is my IDOBAO ID80. I haven't opened it yet. All I've done is take off the bubble wrap. And yeah, let's see what's inside. Okay. I think the packaging was pretty okay. There's a little dent over here, but that shouldn't be anything bad. Says the ID80. Nothing in the back. And yeah, this came within a week and came all the way from China. Now, what's crazy is that in the past when I ordered from China is that it usually takes months. Not months, but like about a month for stuff to arrive. I usually order from AliExpress. That's where I built my last keyboard. If you haven't checked out that video, it'll be in the link in the description below. So go check that out. But yeah, usually it takes about 3 weeks. This took about 1 week, and it was within the same week I ordered it. So, okay. So now let's check it out. Okay, cool. So, you get a cable, a USB-C cable, get a screwdriver, get some screws. I think this is for the keyboard or replacement screws. Get some rubber feet. You also get some hot swap sockets just in case some break and I need to swap them out. And then yeah, that's it. Okay. So here is some packaging foam at the top. Okay. So let's take out. Ooh. Okay, so this is my first ever metal board. Yeah, it is, I would say, pretty substantial, pretty heavy. Not too heavy, but yeah. Okay, and I'm assuming there's nothing under this foam. Yeah, okay. I'll put this to the side. And now we'll check out the ID80. Okay. Hey, I got this one in gray. So it's kind of a space grayish kind of color. Cool beans. So here are the indents for the feet. Cool. In the pictures online, on at least on the website, it shows that there were sockets where you can put in like 2-prong LEDs, but now it just seems like they've changed it and it's just surface mount or SMD LEDs. I'm fine with it. I mean, I already have RGB with my other keyboard, so like not having RGB on this one is totally fine. And later down the line, if I wanted to, I can buy the upgrade kit to like change this backplate for acrylic for underglow, because there is underglow LEDs on this. One thing I wasn't expecting was having the stabilizers already be installed. In other videos I've seen it where it came uninstalled and, you know, within this package. I'll definitely be lubing these with dielectric grease. I haven't actually got any dielectric grease. I have never actually lubed stabilizers before, so this will be exciting, but I can tell you this definitely unlubed. Okay, so let me take this apart. In 3, 2, 1. So here it is with the back plate off. All the screws were there. So that means these screws are probably for, not sure. It seems like the plate screwed in. Plate's not falling out, so there just might be replacement screws just in case I lose any of the inside screws, like the mounting screws. Cool. From the looks of it, there seems to be nothing wrong with it. Here are the back RGB underglow lights. Here's the, the chip that controls everything. This is programmable with QMK. And yeah, I'll go test out this PCB and then put it away after I confirm everything works, and then I'll see you guys when I get my keycaps, and that's when we'll do the final build. What finally came to mail. This is the keycaps. After waiting a few weeks and having a dispute with USPS because my package was just sitting at the facility for a week, I was finally able to get my keycaps. So let's take a look at it. Alright. Okay, I see the Matcha KeyCaps. Here's the box. It's empty. Get that out of the way. Okay, just a small piece of bubble wrap. Cool. So here is the entire keycap set. It's just like what I ordered. It has the Japanese sub-legends on it. Here's the 1.5U shift key. Not the 1.5U shift key, the 1.5U FN key that I wanted. And for some reason, they bundled in the blank keycap. I think that is the size of a shift. Yeah, it's about the size of a right shift. And they also bundled in a keycap holder. So cool. And let's get on with the build. So this video ended up being longer than I expected, so I split it up into 2 parts. So look out for next week's video, which is part 2. In that video, I'll be building this keyboard.
This video took longer than I expected to get out. I had both videos edited, but I got busy and wasn't able to do the voiceovers that I wanted. And with that, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and as always, have a nice day.